absolutely thrilled to be here with all of you today. And it's wonderful to see so many people, enthusiastic people in the audience, in the room. And at the beginning, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the organizers and sponsors to make this incredible event possible. And of course to all of you for being here today. Well, I would like to mention about our success story with the FileMaker CRM. Before to tell you what we do, I would like to call to action sentences from Mevlana, who lived in 13th century. He's a great thinker and poet, and he says that what you seek is seeking you. So, if we associate this quote to our world and our companies, is actually we are looking for a good metrics for our companies, right? For the financial metrics, we want better and higher, for example, revenue and better cash flow, maybe. And for the customer metrics, it's important for us to have a better customer acquisition and, of course, keep on the customer retention. For the operational metrics, we search for the better efficiency and the market metrics. We like to have the bigger market share and good at competition. When I flash back 2018 and 19, I can honestly tell you our company was working like analog. And we decided to transform our company from analog world to digital world. So we start to seeking a solution and solution partner. At that time, thanks that Jabitash looking for a customer. So after 800 years later, maybe our code come true. We found each other and we did a great job and made a sophisticated CRM application for our company. So therefore, I would like to extend my huge thanks for their team one more time. This part I would like to give you what we do. Herkol, my company, is a sole distributor of Italian Danone SPA. We founded in 1998, and our team is 12 people, and we are solely engaged in sales, project, commissioning, servicing, and commissioning projects and for the dynamic manipulators. This is the factory in Italy class. This is the testing area. These are the yellow ones, are the manipulators. I will show you what we use those machines and for which problems. So what is the industrial manipulator? I placed a picture here, which I love it much. It's a nice car, Ferrari. And this is the yellow machine, we call it manipulator. It's an articulated arm and totally work pneumatically. The idea is the hood, you see, the red hood is stand on the right, and operators by vacuum and with the manipulator grip the part and incline in a certain degree and align to the car for assembly position and finalize the assembly operation with one operator. So I placed the one moving boards to better express the idea. As you see, there is a one single operator. We call it, this is the IP of the car, instrument panel, or sometimes we call dashboards. A single operator tilt the grip the IP and tilt in a correct position and insert it from the left door opening and placing to the accurate position. And the weight of the IP, by the way, is around 80 kilograms. Can you imagine that without this kind of solution? manipulator, how many people we need to do this one. It's very difficult, 18, 90 kilogram apart, to insert it, very narrow, enter in array, and finalize the operation. It's not easy. So, as I explained what we do, our company is B2B company, actually, and our process is very long. It's not like a restaurant. To find a customer, to get the order, it takes 8 months, 9 months, and after get the job, to finalize the project, takes another 1 year. So to manage all this process, we were doing in analog, and with the support of FileMaker, we switched all this process into the digital world. So since everybody knows about how I program this tool very well, I would like to mention in this speech how we think how to design our program, CRM program. And to design our CRM program, we used design thinking methodology. This is a problem-solving methodology, but the idea is we centered the human. The human is always in the center. And in the 5 sections, the first one is the user research, they call it empathy. And the second is the define pain points. When we start to make this project, we look where are the pain points for our sales team. This is the most pain points is for us to show us a way how to make the program. And then to find the pain points, as a team we did a brainstorming, ideate, we call it, and then prototype and testing. I would like to say about this prototyping and testing section, FileMaker gives us really the boost solution because we can do iterations and prototyping with the FileMaker. It was unbelievable. It was so speed because I took the course personally from Mr. Osman Jamitash, and after that we started to design our program. And the first POC, proof of concept period, we finalized in 3-4 months. And after this one, for the testing, I've been publishing to our sales team. I think 3-4 months, another 3-4 months, we reached the MVP, minimum viable product application so quick, and all on the testing time, we did many iterations to have the best solution. I will talk about the pain points, and we have faced that our main pain points was customer follow-ups, because there were maybe 50 to 60 different Excel sheets, and for our sales team, they are so lazy on to make a report for the customer visits, and they filled out this Excel and they sent it to our headquarters, but later we see that nobody checked this note again. It was a real disaster. This is not only customer follow-ups, and also lead follow-ups, and after the order, it was another pain point for us. So all these pain points we solved with the FileMaker CRM application. How we choose, because in the market there are many CRM applications. We found the FileMaker, we use the effort impact matrix, and we can absolutely say that FileMaker is located low effort and high impact matrix area. Really, in 8 months, we changed our company working style totally. This part will be demonstrative. It's our application. In the right corner, this is one of our customers for Totosan. And here you can see our contacts and the manipulator installed and the leads. We created the leads for our customers. And for the leads, each leads, there are actions done and next actions, and all the team can follow this historical development of the process. And with here the new stuff area, it's something we can work, multiple workers can take action in this application. So it's easy to follow what we done and what we next. And this is also, in general, in the left corner, you see that for each person in a timeline, we are late or there is the time to do it. Almost for the lead follow, we stop mailing each other. So with this application, we don't call, we don't mail each other. It says us what we need to do for the next 1 week or 1 month for the future jobs. So here is our installed machines. You see, we keep the data. We have around 1,400 machines in the market in Turkey. So we can easily reach and search for any application. It gives us a power for the sales, actually, and the movies and the drawings. So it will empower our sales team to show the customers the similar solution in the market. Well,
recording in progress.
The last part I would like to mention is legal persuasive part, because I would like to talk about the future value, because I've been working in industry more than for 24 years, and we would like to have, especially from the FileMaker developers, we have a request from them, Ethernet communication protocols add-on FileMaker. This is the industrial case, actually. This is 10 years ago, there was a bus topology and the serial communication was very famous, but today is the Ethernet protocol is covering all around the world, and the Ethernet protocol in the world, there are Ethernet IP, Ethernet. These are the industrial protocols, by the way. For example, Ethernet IP is okay in the United States, and for how much minutes I have? Finished, really? Oh my God.
You can have 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay, I go, okay. So I'm speed up. I just give you an example. Is there, you see, there's a one boxer is boxing the box back, and the boxing the back, all the data with the Modbus communication protocol collected, and here is the actual FileMaker can do everything, but to do this job of a project, we need Modbus protocol on FileMaker. This is what we need to explain. On manipulator, our cases to digital monitoring of the manipulators, air supply, on-off remotely, cycle counting, monitoring of remotely of the manipulator and air consumption. These are the equipments that exist in the market. Modbus protocol. If FileMaker have this add-on opportunity, then we can do many preventive maintenance projects for the future. So normally, if we want to do this project with the, for example, the ecosystem, you need to know C# and for the cross-platform, Mari and ASP.NET, and there are many program languages you have to know, but it doesn't need it. FileMaker already gives, it's ready. Just if it's add-on Modbus technology, then we can do these projects easily. So thank you so much.